ready? Let's get ready to rumble. Murder. Murder. Every phone light. 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 This I sell everywhere. Are you ready? Are you ready? Who is the king of dancehall? When I say Vybz, you say Kartel Vybz. Vybz, 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 Vybz. Let's go! General! Yo. General!
Ready not nice. Dress code. Kartel. Dancer. Forever. Me come from Jamaica. Me come from Jamaica. Me come from Jamaica. Me come from Jamaica. Portmore City, Kingston City, City, Kingston. Slimatic.
God, what God? Cause are you a leader? So we go to a movie. Alright then. Yeah. Guys, I mean, jump up. Hey,
you know, don't want fast free.
No, this no rat man. What don't we know now? Full up our man. Shabba with him and he goes with the guns. She busting at the sky and the plane does. Hey, white guy, this circle playing the van. Be a bad man, I want it off with the hand. Long bun, short bun, man, I can't bomb them. Joga Flanka, with the Pele Drive gang, miss it up, ranking about a blood gang. Hold on. Feel say you might come test me then, come rush me then. Any check for you and your friend, I try to send. Move here. Word a win, action maybe you coulda big and thick and ugly like it. Guys, I'm say, hey Jamaica, don't know how to be frightened. Don't be, dash.
Stephen,
General.
damn evil.
So me grow, me no go below. Your mommy, round the top, that's a double. Good night. Ready now. Ask the tourists about my ski. Dash. Hold on. Let me talk to my people then. Good night, Jamaica. Fear. World boss is here. King is here. We've been touring the world. And I know we don't see them do it sweet like Freedom Straight. Now we're there Sumfest. We're going to show them how Jamaica get that. Read it. Oh, that's around, that's across, that's up. Yeah. You know. Them want to test me when them know them can't. So. Tell them no bother try. Cause them no. General. Done in here. Done in here. Yo, Jeffrey, I wet them up like a sauna. They want to war, the sun is it. Boom, it just spread them. Whenever me like, bam, 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 bam. Me feel like, cause I'm not no boy one, I'm I only sing. Me no need no boy for you tell me. Where fi bust me gun, why fi bust me gun? I hear me set them up. Girls sent alone them up. Ready now. Yo Jamaica, when in the summer we deal with famine. And when them feel like could have scatter watch there. And take the lead in a war with them. Them skin too tough to bleed. Puzzle up me gun Jamaica. Dash.
Stop ranking. Tell Flanker rise every damn thing.
Mommy!
We murder people non-stop.
Mommy!
Smarty just drop. Yo, mommy.
Can't this with no day.
We are class 16 before we are 16. Bumbo Walla said the bad. What he tell me when?
General!
Yo, hold on. People. And at 1 o'clock now. And at 2 o'clock now. What time?
What you know?
3 o'clock in the morning. When them a walk up and down with them. Big up it.
Look on this, go on this.
Hey, we no look for boy and I. Tell them say.
Looking at Sumfest.
Walk with the dash.
General!
Hear me saying enough here.
Down in here.
Jamaica this.
Okay.
On my ground.
Alright.
Yes, I'm forward from.
You ready?
Yes, I'm neighbor sing cut.
You ready?
And I can tell you something else.
Alright.
No boy, can't make me run left, right, left, right, me on that thing. They meant to the send it like right here. Oh man, so guess what?
Jump.
Can't hear me while animal training. Make them go overbook, now when it's done. No boy can't run me from my yard. We nah go nowhere. Look. Me nah move out with no iron choke. Me rather go see till the fire ping broke. Now the ball of fire link up. Look, one of them a try run, but what? Me the copper from the tree cut. Him should buy gun, him should buy a pin cup. You love them ugly, you should buy a big chunk. You salty, spread out and asphalty. Yes. Well, I'm gonna pull my shirt. I Jamaica all the way. Wanna see it? Fully active. Ready?
General!
Mommy!
Ladies and gentlemen!
Israel burial. Gaza. Hey, jump now. Hey. I've told them I die. What? I didn't say I told me I die. When we go down about the little die. The eagle was like a little bit and die. The boy come and tell me same stuff what I like. Random, everybody die, but me the pants are white. Look. Me got his head from me a little boy. 6'6", any guy, maybe 6 foot, 6 feet, 6 feet supply. Shoulder calves, no ear supply. When Spanish stone, knock on the breeze supply. Boy, my fly guard, we got the sky, got each up on a black transfer when it apply. Boss.
Ooh!
That's
Is the king of...
we just a warm up.
Ready now!
Jack that.
When you see me on the Gaza,
Javin Sinadaya, sing theme part, go! Say no no, where you make the smarty go. Jump, turn it up. The boy have 119 pound speed dial. The time when you take a child program, man, you should have looked some pussy on. You should have run to the sergeant and the corporal. Chavinci, empty the 40 cap. That full him up a hot metal. Brandon it have a lethal. Boy, pull up. People, when they even know me feel good for there. This bag of touring where them at the Grinch them off my pan. Can't drink, can't smoke, but represent for the culture right through. All over the world. One Jamaica.
Every hand.
Bust a blank for our
Every
country.
lighter.
Plop, plop,
Pop, 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 pop.
drop something for. We not frightened so easy.
Hits after hits.
All when you're rolling with the army, that not scare me. Me represent. the Gaza.
Done in here.
Jamaica. No afraid of nobody. We no afraid of nobody. No afraid of nobody. We no afraid of nobody. We no afraid of nobody. Never scared, never scared, never scared, never. One job. When me born alone. Me Rottweiler, them no shot a bone. Me no left my mongrel dog a yard. If I want you a defense, go on back home. You see, maybe your man them no take talk. So go and flip up like Clara phone. And no farmer use gone alone. Salt spring guns all like Carl Malone. Sing no. Dash.
General.
Look. All of the people that we are hustling on the matter. Turn it up, crew. If you are eyeglass, hold on. Glasses. Then jump the man. Send James have time. See no jail time that I waste time. Mine for my money, got my money for my mind. This is how them a pay the dollar sign. Anyway, you see me at mine for my money, I'm look. Long me, money me ya meds, I don't have none fee. 30 million for your house upper. So me go and hustle round a father. Me nah make no man ride me like. All when me broke rich gal can. You mad? Me left that wealthy and not even mommy can't talk, say she. Me born as a dan like live up way. Him teach me say me bank book nothing. Pocket nothing in Gaza no. I had definition like TV yeah. Money off the run. Me not have time for no jail time that I waste time. Mine for my money and my money for my mind. Good night.
Mommy!
Nothing.
You see them around there, sir?
How you feel?
There's people around there, sir. Me feel great about them, you know.
Them over there, sir?
Right over there, sir.
May I test the girl them over there, sir, first?
Alright.
Look.
Put your light over there.
Let me test the girl them first. Now dirty panty, no dirty panty. Make sure that jar say is not for your auntie. If you're not Christian, jars not. Look. Support the panty are black. The panty are white. You see, if you come here without underwear, support the panty are brown. If I agree, but if the panty are blue and the catches are big.
Welcome to the Reach. Now you're gonna need a tough team, or the other crews will blast you and take your loot. So get ready. When your airtight plan goes out the airlock, improvise. Can't promise fame and fortune here, or that you'll even make it back.
Get to the gate. Go, 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 go.
But I can promise this. It's gonna be one hell of a story.
Not everyone's life runs in straight lines. At Sophia, we get that. Our flexible, affordable, self-paced college-level courses help thousands of people just like you complete their degrees for only $99 a month. Find your courses. Complete them at your own pace, anytime, anywhere. Submit to your school for credits. Keep going. Keep pushing. Keep learning. With Sophia, you got this.
Come fit it, sing the party. No matter how me ram it and me jam it, balling stuff. You're done professional, me come about 3 times already. You out me yard every day, you're there, your big yard. But you can't forget the man will take away. Oh. Yes, sir. Baby, from your mouth clean. You're not dash belly. Now take your friend, man. You're old down big. Dash it. Ladies, looking nice guy. How about that? Drop it.
Ladies! Scream!
I feel like blessing them, Nuffy. Look, Your pussy coming like Bible. When it open up, me see heaven. Your punani bless my angel. Loving you like creation. Your kitty coming like a horrible love, some great sex. From your man till now, that's nameless. And you never afraid that the gate says, woman! Gotta go with you, and I'm in love with your life, wow. The ever blessed boom boom. Gotta go with you, and I'm in love with your life, wow. The ever blessed. Gotta go with you, and I'm in love with your life, wow. The ever blessed boom boom. Look, Jamaica girls, wine baby. Like say me giving you a boy baby. If it is a girl, then you guys take it. Squeeze up your body, what a birthday gift. Me say peace of heaven when that skirt they live. Your last man make your earth hear this. If your heart broke already, me your first aid kit. Come in and me house, girl, a world place this. And guess what? You know, I gotta go with you, and I'm in love with you like wow. The ever bless. Dash. Something else, my girl. Tight boom boom, girl. Love to do the video them with you. Come show say you love me. You don't know what's up. Little girl, don't give me that. Your pum pum clean already, so me dash the boot of me. Jiggle up your body now. Me stop slapping up your body so. Me love how you push it, me you shove it, me you ram it you I say, when me say girl, make nice if you want, but some balls for your mother, for your papa, me no matter. Look, Jamaican, looking at me, I know I got this you, baby. Baby, from a find you, you alone, my one girl. Thank you, babies. Oh, this is for the girls and the ladies. One job. But me not tell you no lie. Me never see a catty when me love so. Me love you, my baby. This is where me love you for. In the street, you are me wifey. But in the bedroom, you're so lively. Anyway, me say big up, she cock it up. And when me ready, me, she love me so much. But listen this now. I'm a baby that. She turned me on. She be a laugh at the body, she not ready for me come. She done with the bed sheets and go up on the ground. Look, where and where did we do it? We got in the phone booth, pan every digit, in the church, media spirit, in the studio, me vice and a civic. If the young girl no stay, so no life, you no live. Anyway, me say figure, she got it up, and when me ready, me. Look, she love me so much, but listen this now, me never see a girl sing. Oh.
Vroom, vroom. Moby again.
Ladies! Your bumper big.
Ready now.
See the bike, yeah.
Run this up, this up.
Then spoon on it.
This up.
You got the big bike bumper, the material. Position like that when you depend the bike back. Position like that when you depend the bike back. Nobody did so and your kitty quite fat. Nobody did no. Picture me and you and me. Then picture me and you under the tree. Wait, oh man Fibo, them wickedy. Liate, ya me Q-U-E-E-N, so me. The first time body go in a her, me wake up though. Here is your breakfast, what you prefer? Me say stop. Me no eat in a bed that won't occur because me not gonna burn or kiss it fur, but I like the way you shake it right there. Turn back way and make me get the enter the center, yeah. Position like that and not the dash. Ladies, DJ, ayaso. Tell you now, how Jamaica this. Gaza girls.
Ready now!
Who you ready?
Mobby!
No boy man, no secret for you.
Yo!
She said, where? Me say bend down low, let me tell you when me know, let me tell you when me know when you bend down low. Me see it say your kitty fat, it a show. Me see it now your eye, the bang not too low. Cock up little more tip on your toe, falls here, wrap about them so care low. Pan the body, pose like that, me know. Me didn't tell you say big, you can't say your name no. She get the icicle and she like it. And me love tap it up with the ice pick. To how me love it bad, come me like a kitty. With it on daily and nightly. Anyway me go, me gun there beside me. Cause a good kitty there, that's something to fight for. Turn it front here, turn it back. Caleb, make me from downstairs, go back upstairs. She a whisper this in my ear. She said, look, me say bend over more, make me tell you for sure. You no love making, you love it hardcore. Bed make up, we a go on the floor. When the neighbor them asleep, we do it round the yard more. She say she never make it to the drugstore. For the birth control, me come in a armor. In a that mount a month, be a bad sure. You get the icicle and you like it. You get the bicycle and you like it. But what I feel like? May I work for my people then? What I feel like? Read him again.
Diamond, need a vagina.
Some boy don't know if it don't say me a talk up. Me a tell you say me. Mommy! Me a tell you say me. Hold on, belly flat, belly mark up. Oh, pull up.
Mommy!
Pull up that. Diamond, say something to them.
What you say I want?
Diamond, need a vagina.
Don't talk to no.
Read him.
Diamond, need a vagina.
Some boy don't know if it don't say me a talk up. She a fit take off the boot first. She a fit take off the boot first. The other one, do it and done. Remember you have the tightest gum. Me a tell you say me a beg you a fuck. You ready, Diamond? Bend over. And wind up your body, girl, wind to the top. Turn around for your back shot. Post by the cocky like it's a drop top. Make me use me BlackBerry, take a Snapchat. Add up the sum drop, petty mad stat. Your tight pussy plus film fat equal. Me not done. Bumbo, hey. So just give it out. Hey. Yo. Diamond, no, you win. Officer, I want bad would escape a while ago. But in my defense, vagina was on the stage. I'm just saying. Read him up. Wind up your body, come me why yo. Like kitty girl, I the why yo. Baby, this is where me why you do. It long till the bend like that. Come wind up your tight kitty panda. It long till the bend like. Under your turn back with your girl sit down on it. Let me push it in a Kevin song. Wind up your tight kitty panda. It long till the bend like. Yeah, girl, you're something good me off it. Come in and make castle and now. Make me videotape it. But no ask about it. I just say me a give your girl sit down on it. What in the bench yeah make me. But if it is a ladder, me a go park it. So come wind up your tight kitty panda katia. It long till the bend like. Come wind up your tight kitty panda. It long till the bend like. Under your turn back with your girl sit down on it. Let me push it in a Kevin song. Wind up your tight kitty panda. It long, it. All of the good old girls, them scream.
Mommy!
Me love it, touch you while no missionary doggy style. Good. Back it up on the dump joke. Turn round to yam. How you wine to your must can't touch. Who can touch must ya? Said good light. What a kitty tight you a sting like a. Baby, I'll make the touch more easier. Look. When you are run, but me just start up. As you come, so you just want cut. Body stiff condom start bust. Inna your belly juice must spark up. Yeah. Said good like the icing up. What a kitty tight you are. Baby, I'll make the. Look. You love get back shot, that's sweet, yo. Love bellies and love, that's sweet, yo. Sit down on it, girl, that's sweet, yo. Foot on shoulder. Girl, you kitty tight, something in it. Girl, you don't know where, come here a little bit. Girl, you kitty tight, something in it. Dash. Well on. Don't rush. Don't rush. People, I've been waiting months for this. For reach back on my yard. I eat some really hard food. Smoke some really hard weed. Big up and baby mother them backstage. Big up Shorty. Big up Sharika. Adiana. No, remember me is a family man. No do me that. Remember I'm a family man. But here we are going now. Family aside, you know when me and the talks them are gonna drop it.
Ready now!
Build a song for the gal inna the go-go club.
Mobile ladies!
This a for the gal inna the massage parlor, you know.
Get ready!
No man never tell you this yet, baby, me love ya.
Over this, around this,
Bust a dance now, girl, oh yeah. See don't pan at the till or the broke. Or you want back it up like a truck. She no want no missionary style, you know. Bend over, sir. Up in your ear, can the bulldozer go. Bend over, sir. Bend over, sir. Look. Girl, do what you feel like, girl, at your choice. Don't make a girl shame you with her vice. Like say you are the devil in the passion of Christ. You know what we do, feel make me feel nice. Me give you my money, you give me paradise. Do what we happy till we do it next time. So now, come up back me baby, where your tongue there? Good on now, come up back me baby, where your tongue there? Girl, oh you love the touch. See don't pan at the till or the broke. Or you want back it up like a jug. She no want no missionary style, you know. Bend over, sir. Bend over, sir. Up in your ear, can the bulldozer go. Look. One thing for sure, two things for certain. Yeah, girl, you're no boring, girl, you're no lame. Do it for the fortune, do it for the fame. Me no matter where people are class, young girl. Do a DJ. So girl, be a freak, I'll never complain. Unless me a cuss, give me more. Daily they tell me. Remember how you tell me you love sugar cane. Good on no. Dash. That's for the ladies. What you have for me now, Chrome?
Mommy!
With us a freestyle.
Watch how you bend to beat them back.
With us a freestyle. With us a freestyle.
Up that's around, that's across, that's up.
Good old girl.
Who not ready now?
Guess what? Why no girl? Give me the best banana, make me go and drive it out. All taxi, pum pum, go and go cool out. Bend banana, make me go and drive it out. All taxi, pum pum, go and go cool out. 50 man a ref your body. That means that your pum pum a taxi. Me fi make 51, but me no want it. Look, you want him there. You want him there. Me say you want him there. Enough it, tell me.
Yes, see.
Pull up.
General!
Run it. Say you do it.
Ready now!
And that are the talking of the street.
Up that's around, that's across, that's up.
Me say you want him there. You want him there. Me say you want him there. My brethren tell me. Me say you want him there. No, you want him there. Me sure she want him there. My brethren tell me. I mean Jerry Ping when Kerry Ping Jerry. And that's why me love Blackberry. Me, I gonna leave, make you stay by yourself. You must see him again, so you see him already. That simply means say you give him already. Me auntie they tell me let nothing trust you. The door pulling up, you don't leave already. Me no search phone, but the text still a show. He sent me a shell down Jamaica today. Hey, you are in there. It's dash.
Oh. Ready now.
Hold on, don't play it. Munspan Road. With the city all over the world. One thing. You know I did have to forward you so soon. We don't forward before Sumfest. And the Grinch them I say, no, you love Jamaica too much. This bag of party in this bag of her. Me say, and that make me want to come home. Want me tell you now what?
Take time right every phone light.
Baby.
Take time right every phone light.
Baby. Why not?
When you ready now?
Baby. Why not? Hey, your pussy make me have to come home. Tell her you alone. See don't panic. Like I say you feel your tune. Tell your kitty pretty send a picture to me phone. Bubble panic will say you me love it when you more. If your man cocky dead. If your kitty pussy me you travel with a comb. See this up with your way. Longer than a bone. Turn up in your pretty little kitty where you own. Me nah left. But they make a love of the wicked in a bed. She can't say you can't bubble by your head. Baby. She say baby. Look, listen, girl. Your kitty make him a think come home. Loving you to death. Fling it round just so feed it touch your forget. I remember I better say you no forget. Say that's something you put the pepper in your step. If your man body dead. Remember say me better than a pack of cigarette. See the body you wear, longer than a jet. Gone up in your kitty naked. When you, boy, me nah left. But then me can love a the wicked in a bed. She can't say you can't bubble by your head. Baby. Pull. Boy, me feel hot. Oh, me hot so. I wonder, what me have?
You ready for them?
XO.
You ready for them, General? Me a stand up
if you want it.
What you know?
So much things I did not say. People on the soul, one burner life hard. Anyway, tick tock. Broke it, set it. Bend over. Back shot. Somehow you got extra. Forget me not. When it's sweet, yo. What you say? Fever. Wine for me, baby. Everything crisp. How was she gone? When you look back at you, I mean that doggy style, puppy whisper. My body so good, it give the fire fever. If you can't broke it off, hasta la vista. Y'all happy, ava, kitty, power, grab it, Lego, queen, lower. Warm summer, that's where you gone. Philippi, Wallapan, pull up, Philippi, call up, Alabama, Yalaban. Philly, turn it up to action. Extra, forget me not when it's sweet, yo. What you say? Fever. Wine for me, baby, everything crisp. My good love, dash. One heap of song, and me I perform as much as them for my people. Hold on. You ready for her? Eh? Whoa? Oh, you not ready for her? What me rum there? How me not drink nothing?
Mommy, how you feeling?
Give me a buckle of rum.
Mommy, how you feeling?
Me can't drink one. Give me one more.
You know
this
the thing set and not
is for somebody in the crowd. Give me an next rum. This is for a girl in the crowd. Make money every day.
Tonight is a treat.
Bubble for me, boo.
Don't forget that.
Money, ignite the world. Money make my dream come true. Yeah, me love it when you wine me, girl. I forget a night with her. Yeah, me love it when you wine me, girl. Where the next rum there? Drop top. You wicked dog. Me can't drink this by myself. Me I just give it away. May I get a lucky lady in the crowd? You can't catch this. Hold this. That's for you and your friends to drink. And you know why I give you that?
Ready now!
Yo, mommy.
Round this up, that's a grass, that's up.
The party get just
Looking at
some
mommy.
cheap vibes home from. Get some sanitary cup in the plastic. Back, Jano. Somebody get ice.
Jump. Ready now!
Get the white, the red, the over. Nothing. Jump with me. Everywhere we party. Everywhere we party. People who have faith know what make the Gaza man some.
General! Put it.
Grand Debbie, the Magnum Atanic up. Look, the area where so much gal about.
Over there, sir!
Look.
Round there, sir!
Your boxer.
Up
Get
there,
up,
sir!
bar. Your king card. What the girl them say?
Ready!
I just love your gig, girl.
Ready.
I just love your gig, girl. Turn it up then, no. Hey, wine for me, baby. You know me love you so much.
Over there, sir!
Take your time in a no rush.
Round there, sir!
Shorty, swing off for me with an eye.
Yeah! Done in here!
That's right.
Ladies!
Hold on. Remember, you know, we are all our vibes. And you say, if my brother is there, would I say? Where would I say? Them dance for you, you fall. Low now. All of the real gallies them. Me can't lie. Vegas, sang, but hey, man, not.
Round this up! Up this up! Cross this up!
I'm girl.
Ready now!
Look. Me have two songs on rhythm. Me can't start with one drop. Me a driving from Green Hill with a phone.
Oh my goodness, the world boss himself, Vybz Kartel, has graced the Reggae Sumfest stage, and I should tell you, I mean, you can see for yourself, Catherine Hall Entertainment Complex has erupted. The crowd, it's like a chorus, song for song, word for word, lyric for lyric. Everybody has been going in. I mean, as a fan myself,
yes, see word for word.
I've been having a time, but interestingly enough, our online viewers, we actually gave you a little more than we were allowed to, you know, or authorized to give of the performance. But guess what, guys? We do have some clips from Freedom Street just for you. So take a look at this.
7th, 1976. Portmore, listen to me. My mother christened me. His mother name Teresa Wilson. His father name Mr. Morrison. Drunkardella. He was brought to Drunkardella. My butler.
I'm out.
Listen to me. The boy Serpy. You talk too much. Look in our stadium. Look in our stadium. I want bad MC. Listen to me. Me know when him not have nothing. Me know when him broke. Me know when him a look salty. Me know about us. But people, them say he can't do 3 hours. Them say dancehall never lock up in a jail. Me tell them, ladies and gentlemen,
Yeah.
boys and girls, who is the new king of dancehall? When I say fight, you say Kartel. Fight! Fight!
You are eyeless. Hold on. Grassy. Jump up. We don't have time for no jail time. That's how we have time. Mine from my money and my money from my mind. Ready? Big on the people that in that stadium. After 13 years, me dey a road, and guess what? If you are eyeless, hold on, glasses, yo, that's a no. Me not time for no jail time, that's a waste time. Man from my money, this shot of them a this shot of them a anyway you see me at any given time. Man from my money and my money. Look, me, money me a meds and them not none fi show me 30 million for your house up a stony. So me go and hustle round a father. Me nah make no man write me like look, all of the man them know say when they can go through any rough situation and come out on top. Cause God is the greatest. No? Oh, when shot a God deal, you know if they no sit here. Yeah. See them? Come here, my baby. All of the people them over here, so now. My girl, them are ready. Hey, girl, see don't panic. Yeah, that's it. My sister artist, come on by stage. Which song you sing? What is song that we know? Yeah. The party get justly, get some sweet pie from, get some sanity, we copy that in. Hey, you know, somebody get ice. Get the white, the way, the over, bro. Jump the man, early when the party, early. Hold on. Nothing. General. No. Gaza came. Remember, you know, we go out, you know.
Exactly.
After me, don't know where she and her man have. And she had little domestic affairs. And I try to draw me night. I make the media link me. You know me tell them? Yo boss, I know my son in it. You don't want. That's it.
My dearest Julia, you are my reason for enduring this madness.
Do not give up. I'll find a way back to you.
Nuts.com is a snacking utopia. We have supplier relationships from all over the world. I actually don't speak a lot of other languages, but Gemini and Google Meet, it translates everything live. It just kind of breaks through all those barriers. It's just magical.
No, remember me. No, pull up. No, me not go back at jail because I must get bail. Jump it again. Hear this. Shower. Shit in the place for me. All of the girls them. We can't hold them, man. Then I want a boring fuck. Then I want a boring wife. Then I want a boring wife. Put your clothes on. Then I want to. No, me no want to. Me no want to. Baby, your pussy have a physically fit. Blood the cocky like Jai Macastick. Enough girl flap boy you flip. Enough of them flap down. Say. And hola. And what you do? Right for the cocky like a bicycle.
Me general. This is grandstand. Them want hear that song, yeah.
Set me free.
Grandstand and the girl them. Them ready.
Set me free. What me say? Love. Like this simulated. Well on. Me I know how to do this song. Set me free. My time. Set me free. Yalla. Pull up. Let me test the crowd. Let me snow. I don't want to read him for that one. I don't want to read it. Y'all run down the Gaza youth. Look. Every day. Hour. But what? Sing no man. Shorty catch me last night. And you got up and say, why? But what? But me I feel. What's she here? We never. See them. But what? So what? No. Now see if you know Kartel like that. See if you know that part. Before suit Sophia bring. What she say? No matter with the suicide thing. Me swear for love you till time end. Me never mean to. Oh yes, sir. Another girl. Shiva. You know you want me, yeah. But I'm a gala. Shiva, what me do?
Not too blood.
Pull up. Some boy don't know what the talk say. Me a tell you some me a beg you walk up. Me a tell you some me a beg you walk up. Belly flat, belly mark up. Big fat cocky make your pussy cock up. Yeah, wind up your body now, wind to the top. Turn around for your back shot. Let me use my blackberry. Sheila, I don't got some jack. Your tight pussy plus fit me fat back equal. See them? So you just give me that. Cock it up. Pull up.
Sheila, link up now.
Shout you over there, so but I don't think she's on us. Who's body cocky and wind up? Wind up, girl. Wind up like you want in his head. Cocky gone up in a punani in his head. Look. Make me push it in, make me push it in. Make me push it in, make me push it in. Get the skinny toad. 1, 2 man dance, I was. Dash up. Oh, I'm see Shiva. Shiva high. Paper, good night. Them say me couldn't do it. Them say me couldn't do it. Never come check my friend them on a bleachers. Fuck it. Look. Tight old girl, scale. And do. Set good like the ice in a freezer. Peace up. Look. Where you are run for me just start up. As you come so you just want cut. Cocky stiff and don't start bust. What you say? Set good like the ice in a freezer.
All right, guys, highlights there from Freedom Street, which happened on New Year's Eve. Of course, it was the first time we saw Vybz Kartel hitting the stage after his release. But I should let you guys know, we apologize sincerely. However, it was based on a contractual arrangement that was made with Vybz Kartel's team, right? So Vybz Kartel's management team did not grant us the permission to air more than 15 minutes of his performance. And we gave you more than the 15 minutes. We gave you the 15 minutes plus extra plus brata. So we do apologize. I know it is. My Gaza fans are not really pleased right now, and we really do apologize. But of course, this was as a result of a contractual agreement that was made with Vybz Kartel's management team. All right, it's not my fault. Right, it's not Camilla's fault. However, that was just based on the arrangement that was made. But Cam, we have some more highlights from Freedom Street, because I know that you love the world boss and you know that you love Vybz Kartel and you want to celebrate this moment with him. So we're going to highlight a few more moments from Freedom Street.
Alive. What you say, TJ?
Spice, are you know?
Oh, we can't talk to you now. I have something to say to Spice. Come here, lady. Every man grab a girl,
and every girl grab a man.
If you're not there, you stadium, you're wrong.
God damn.
All when a night, your pussy feel like sun hot.
When you come in, I'm a ramping sharp. Pull up. Never want too much clothes, man. I have to get down to business.
Oh, you mean? Yes, mama.
Hold on. Let me show them the back of my jacket.
Yeah?
Because that song you changed my life.
Look, you see it? Let me stand upside down. Yeah, it has
yeah. Come again now, drop it.
Oh. Every man grab a girl.
And every girl grab a man. Man to man, girl to girl, that's right.
Spice, look in the sky. All when a night, your pussy feel like sun hot.
Make sure you do if you walk on and on. See them, turn where your face.
The cocky longer than the night. Tell me where you lie.
Well, you have to rub it hard, the cocky don't feel like. That me jiffy spike, that become me pussy tight.
So put it on the left, can you take it on the right?
Me nipple them a ripe, send it up in a me try.
Me dem for me to a pint, every nipple get a bite.
Me man have to go see me and him have to go fight. Can me have to wine for the cocky like this.
Well, I'm come. Reggae. Every man grab a girl,
and every girl grab a man.
If you're not in the stadium, you're wrong.
Scar them.
All when a night,
my pussy feel like sun hot.
When me come in, you're ramping sharp.
Make sure you do if you walk and I don't chat ya chat.
Now go tell you something, Gracie. Me cocky longer than the night. Tell me where you like. And you want me ride it like a bike.
Well, you have to ram it hard, your cocky don't feel like. That me jiffy spine, that become me pussy tight.
When me put it on the left, can you take it on the right?
Me nipple them a ripe, send it up in a me try.
White titty appetite, every nipple get a bite.
See them a fi go see me and a fi go fight. Can me a fi wine for your cocky like. You in your breast like me crushing her.
See them jealous likewise, shorty.
You have...
Whisper something like this.
I can't stop fucking you.
Hey, cocky don't play. Me we broke your back.
Me we quit it up 2 times and pop 13 years.
Me we make you run out of me house in a half a frack.
I mean I'm rapping. I can never whine.
Hold on, me can't DJ me a come again. Don't fuck like one more moment.
Stadium, I love you! Happy New Year!
Oh, you mean? You love, what you love?
Me love turn back way. Can't get the pressure cause the pum brain.
Well, I know. She love turn back way.
Pull up. Me think you're done with me.
No,
pull up, crumb.
Can't done with their grace. You want to talk to them?
You have to take off the boat.
Bump, that's so much thing will come out. I know me.
Can you sing back way?
I know, remember why I love you.
Well, I know.
Yes, baby.
Play this song again now.
She love done back way. She can't take the pressure but the boom grade.
I look slave. Boom fire don't give that the work.
Watch you watch cinema, watch me. She love done back way. She can't take the pressure but the boom.
The man ya look slave. Wood fire up in the body start blaze.
Spice, boom off the body and done. Boom off the body and done. Drop it down for the soul.
Rev out the body and done. Stab out the whole land. Teacher me now run. Take wine.
Oh, you love the ride, no, you love the sex life.
Oh, you mean I'm the whole too tight.
See them, stop praying. Hold on now. See them, watch this. Watch this. Kiss me, baby.
Yo, Father, big up yourself, you know. On 2025, though.
What you mean?
Yo, big up everybody when they're tonight, you know, Father. In a real life. Big up yourself. Big up yourself, Father. Yo, big up everybody when they have love their mother and that. What a championship fans over there tonight. What is that? Yeah, me I tell you, Mama, love will bring us joy. And when my father gone left I, Mama cry, there's her. She's standing by my side. Time hard, but yeah, Mama, tell them so much here. Turn up my mic.
Turn on back.
Hey, me say, them a go vex, them not me bless, them see the success, them see the shirt, them see the pants, we not done. Them try up there, them try gun, what go come next. If you know it, see, me I tell you, say, stop it.
Me I call up one woman, yeah. Do you think she go on with it, you know? She give me bun left, right, and center. Then she a go say, anything me do her. She a go do me. I'm not doing shit in the place. Shut up.
Yo.
Forward, lady.
Then Addy, supposed to sleep with your best friend now. There we do anything. I wait there. I want you there.
Top right there, so. Gala, when me do you make you do me that? Gala, when me do you?
Hey, come here.
Alright, me a come.
You think me not see you?
Me a come.
You don't know me that catch you.
Me a come.
You don't know me that catch you.
I'm coming.
And three police them hold me. I should have come up here. Friend it fresh. You see you?
Stop right there, so. Gala, when me do you make you do me that? Gala, when me do you make you do me that?
Yeah, them lucky car, we not do him not yet. But everything you do me, I do your back. Me say everything you do me, I do your back. Khadija, everything you do me, I do your back.
What you really mean when you say nothing yet?
You're one. Him give me bone and things, say things nice, but an unfair game play twice. You still there with the brown girl up a stand pipe on the last week, me and her fight.
What make you never do score and every day man ban you?
Remember you look me and Tinian Giants and Stadium done did see a touch spice.
Me and Spice thing, a friend something. You want to lie, she can't tell me no.
Make sure say you are gonna feel same way when you see me start ride off move out or something.
Pussy claw. Don't pull up. Madness! You must be dreaming. You see the man we are forward up, but him not call him name. But that's why I read him start playing and him just jump out.
Light man, dim me light!
Yes, the light of it.
Light man, dim me light!
The light of it.
Light man, dim me light!
The light of it.
Stadium!
Dim the light. Dim the light. Dim the light. Every girl all time. Dim the light.
DJ Crow.
Hit you with no delay into what you saying, y'all. Silly with the 9 milli, what they dilly. When I be on the buckets, I do my duty.
While I bring the club like we father in the studio. You're not wanna violate, nigga, really get truly. Dog, nigga, named Julio. Type of nigga that'll slap you with Julio. Bitch, nigga, scared to death.
Look at shorty, she can see the cutie. On the way she shake it, make me wanna get all in the booty.
Top bitch, just the banging bitches. While I'm with my freak like we got the freak side.
Hit you with the shit, make you feel it all in your toes.
That shit got on my niggas. Got on my metaphors when I formally my flow. Hey! Now you're running by the party with me. Pull up down. Pull up. Welcome home, Vybz Kartel.
Yes, my father. General.
Yeah.
Yo,
boss.
Yo, my general.
Serious up to the time. You know it's Kartel. And I told them the millennium flavor style start well right away. Serious I've been to the worst and the best road.
Yeah. And all who love Kartel for a long time. What we say?
In a mesh, what back next? Cap and do rap, fix no academic. We be rolling.
Pull up. Pull up. Them baboon man. Long time when I say Kartel, you know.
You know it's Kartel.
I'm just shit out for time classic.
Millennium flavor style start well right away.
Look. I talk to the people them. I see if they remember them song. When they ready, look. In a mix show about nicks. Cap and do rock fix. We be rolling split. Sass, you it's to the flex. Lennox of Denver Nuggets. And Cyrus. Sing no. Majestic or hardwood classic. Things and what in the plastic. Pull up. That's for that. Up to the time. You know it's Kartel. The ladies insist on that. Bro, I want to play that nice here when me a DJ. I really more I hear that. Yeah. People. Who remember them song, yeah? You know me call canai. With the buckle of talk canai. Tough for lie. Split for lie. Split sweat in the high. Talk of fly. Create a Guinness pile up in the sky. Woman watch me like a spy. Me not gonna lie. Then get high. In a July. Look. If Marshall the day, where would I sing? Tell them. I don't see pressure be apply. This is the new millennium.
All right, guys, we just saw highlights from Freedom Street, but guess what? We have a surprise for you. Let's take a look at the crowning of Vybz Kartel as the king of the dance hall.
They have 2 crowns for you to choose from. We know you said God is the greatest. Sure. And these crowns are not being given to you. You have earned it.
Yeah. We try them fit the people. This. This.
Let the world hear it.
This. Hold on, Gracie. Hold on, sister. Hey. Hello. Yeah, calm down. Yeah.
Jamaica, when you're spending the money, do the right thing.
Love alone, people. Love alone. That we are dealing.
Yeah, hold it.
Love alone, my people. Love alone. We're not spoil the night. Remember, one Jamaica.
God is the greatest.
Let's do this. Yeah, just take care of right this. Everything good.
Love alone.
Right this. So good. All right. Back to it, Gracie.
Why feedback? Everything good enough to make the people them know now?
Everything is okay, people. Everything is okay. Sister Gracie, you can continue.
Yeah.
I will set up the people them for run.
Security have everything under control. Don't worry.
You mix up, you know?
Yeah.
Yo, you know what? Me choose this. The people them said this is the crown.
On behalf of the entire Jamaica, the music fraternity, Joe Bogdanovich and Reggae Sumfest, we are here to crown the legend, Adija. Oh, nothing, nothing. Remember, send the king, send for me, no?
Yeah, not do that,
and
nothing.
the king said, no man nothing put the crown on him head.
Yes.
Remember, me did there Europe and the king said, Queen,
yes.
are you my want to put the crown on my head?
I just give them back their money.
Yeah.
I know.
On behalf of the music fraternity and the entire Jamaica, Reggae Sumfest, Joe Bogdanovich, the entire world, the entire Sumfest, Gaza Nation, we are here to crown the legend, Adija, Azim, Palmer, all hail the king of dancehall, Vybz, Kartel.
Let's go!
Long live the king of dancehall.
Thank you. Me can DJ a song. Oh, Joe, White guy, you want to say something?
This is a great historical moment.
Yeah.
And we're blessed to be here. And people get excited sometimes and they do some things. But you know, it's all about love. It's about change. It's about community and helping one another, and this man, big him up. Come on, let's hear it for Vybz Kartel. I can't hear ya.
Yeah, Joe.
I can't hear ya.
Big up yourself, Virginia. Big up. You hear me? People, it's a joy. I mean, I'm telling you something. It's a joy. You sit down here, so, in my own country. And the people them say, world boss, you finally, officially deserve it. Big up yourself, Spice.
Hold on, the media, hold on.
Yeah.
May I have a towel, please? The media down here start complain.
So what?
They didn't get to, let me get a towel for the king, please. The king of sweat, intermission.
If you sweat now, you the side of me. Where you go? Yeah. Dry me, baby. Oh, may I kiss to you in a Spice?
The media is complaining that they were a bit distracted and they never got a good picture.
So we're
going to do it. All the media here in the pit. So I'm going to do it again.
Yeah, take time. Yeah.
I am here to crown
the
cerebral luminary, Adija Azim Palmer. Wanna happy now? All hail the king of dancehall, Vybz Kartel!
Fully. Thank you, Jamaica. It's a pleasure. Big up to the whole down sound team, Reggae Sumfest. Big up to the Queen Spice, aka my work wife.
That is it.
And big up most of all, Father God, I make all things possible. God is the greatest. People are gonna do it. I only listen Kartel. I only say Addy the teacher from Black Kartel. Bleach out face Kartel. Kartel in a prison. Kartel a road. And Kartel now the writer say in front of now. I wanna do it. Enough respect and enough love to you now. How my sound, Spice?
One king.
What you mean?
Any other king, I must Burger King.
Mommy!
And I'm going to say this. Because I can be the bigger man. And we have to say, big up to the man. The former king. But no. But big up to all of the legend I'm set it. Bounty Killer. If I never you move to stand up on the stage, you know, because you believe in me.
One general.
So big up Bounty Killer. Big up Buju Banton and Ninja Man. I'm my two biggest inspiration in the music. And then me hear and say, I want to do this. So all of the Gaza fans and the Kartel fans, Buju and Ninja me hear as a little youth. And I said, no man, this I want to do. And see me there now. So big up on yourself. I'm here for the rest on the crowd now, we know, cause dance on my rep for. Give me a rhythm there.
Ready
hold
again.
this there. Not you, Teddy. You need a spice?
Ready again.
How am I dealing? Nothing. Yeah, bust a dance.
Bust a dance. You ready, General? Give them the dance. Give them the dance. Bust a dance. Give them the dance, come on.
Then jump, no man. Willy bumps, yeah. Every bad man and every tough, yeah. I agree your boss, yeah. Mash up the place and the rum, say, yeah. You look better than Beyonce. Y'all free you, me baby, what do that done, say? Me are the oxygen for your lungs, yeah. Make your good speak in a tongue, yeah. Yeah. Forever and ever dance all can't start again. Forever and ever dance all can. Whoa. Way. Lord. Dance all of me everything. You can't bad me up. Hear me I say no, you can't buff me up. Hear me I say no. And that me I say, oh, me no afraid of no bullbuck, no pig anchor. Go for your army, go for your tanker. Go for your awo.
Ready now, General.
You ready? Watch that side. Come touch me now. Touch a button now. Come touch me now. Touch a button now. Come touch me now. Touch a button now. I know where you come from and where you want go. Come touch me now. Touch a button now. Come touch me now. Touch a button now. Come touch me now. Touch a button now. Me no care where you come from, you know. Say something. Oh, me wake up your shirt like zesty. Man, I can run like. Woman, have to stop look sexy. Well, on, when you reach Doga St. James and you hear a voice, man. Play a hero, you play a quote zero. A 9 night with white drum and Pepsi. Oh, come touch me now. No, sir.
Ready, General.
Yeah, burn off. Banja.
Burn up.
Bungo wall. Things say your butt step on me bank robber. Who moves up each eye this it?
Run this up.
Chop it back.
Run this up.
I'm a slap what Ready?
Run this up.
Me not take intimidation. From me a little boy, me no fear man. And me will make you live up at this station. St. James tell a boy, Bungo wall. Things say your bad step on me bank robber. Who boots your fish hide the seed and dada. Right on your face it. Don't make me go what the laugh you go link fagger. When me say ready you can't say you can't bother. Chatty business me left that to ragga. Look. Call me no inna. Me last them for chopping, me strap them for clapping. People are run over. Them run back inside when motion start attacking me tail long like wicked. And when that start batting them about Holy Ghost could not block him. Me ya. So me tell the boy them again. That's
ready again.
Can get a one drop on this.
Energy, what about it?
This one from 90s Machiavelli make you know what I look like. That's run it back.
General.
Run it back.
We have been a fight.
Yo, at the national.
Up there, sir.
Nobody from New York not there.
Any Brooklynites there?
Jump. This man from 90s Machiavelli make you know what a hollow fight is. Boy, never mind it.
Good.
Ref out your life like 7 series. Fit anybody weed this. No lads gun speak bullet like Wriggles. Gun a AK sing like Leroy Sibbles. This man from 50s and 40s. Yeah, big style now walk with no feds guy. Bust it in a face, make it look like when next right. Talk to ya.
It's Jamie's first time changing her own oil, and an AutoZoner helps her find the right parts and a great deal.
Celebrate free at AutoZone with free parts, products, and services until July 28th.
In the zone, AutoZone. What's up, party people? Craig Robinson here with my brother Chris to talk to you about our favorite new puzzle game, Royal Kingdom. We're actually such big fans, we wrote a song about it.
Oh, Royal Kingdom, you fill me with delight. I really love to play you, morning, noon, and night.
Afternoons too, we don't discriminate.
With no pop-ups or ads, it's me and you to the end.
Oh, sweet Royal Kingdom, I promise I'll never stray. So get out your phone and download it today.
Big finish, big brother.
So get out your phone and download Royal Kingdom today.
Kingdom. Download and play today.
Ready now!
Don't ever do that again, my bro.
Right.
Turn it up now. We're not going under. Dash it. They must say them press for time. They must say them press for time. But before I leave, I have to say something. No. It's all good, baby. Don't worry. Rhythm.
Not nice. He boy run like a wounded dog.
Broke your seal record.
No run.
But the boy dress up like police.
Ready now.
Don't run. Mommy. Love you.
Thank you, mommy.
Yo.
Thank you, mommy.
Yo.
It's a team. Don't move. Big up on yourself in the mobby here. Why you know more artists around there? Don't worry on yourself, you know what things said. Mommy! One Joe.
What a moment in dancehall history.
Yes,
what a moment
yes.
in Jamaican history. The crowning of the king of dancehall. Adidja Palmer, a.k.a. the teacher, a.k.a. Vybz Kartel.
A.k.a. the world boss.
A.k.a. the world boss, selling out arenas and stadiums all over the world. The most prolific dancehall artist in our lifetime, right?
Yeah.
So we just feel proud. We know these are not the faces that you wanted to be seen right now, but as Talia mentioned before, this was all, this was out of our control, and I think that you got Kartel management, said no, 15 minutes only, but we did give you a treat. And we gave you a little brought, all right? So we can't cuss with so bad, eh?
Yeah, and then in addition to that, of course, we showed the moment, right? The moment everybody wanted to see.
Yes.
We also showed some highlights from Freedom Street as well, because we are celebrating Vybz Kartel.
Yeah.
We're celebrating, his moves throughout the entertainment space.
Yes.
We're also highlighting the fact that he has transcended generations.
Yes, absolutely.
And he has given us hits after hits after hits. He's also waved the Jamaican banner far and wide. So, we have to big him up, we have to congratulate him.
We did have a very interesting perspective as well, because we were able to see him from the beginning of the year, right?
Yeah.
And to now just to see the growth, he is so much more fit, he's more strong. You saw him really resonating with his audience in a different way. So, we got something special tonight, all right?
We did.
So many more special moments. And earlier on, Talia caught up with Jamal.
Yeah. All right, we are still here. It's all about the greatest reggae show on earth, Reggae Sumfest, and we just saw an electrifying performance from the dunce man himself, Jamal. Hi, Jamal. How are you doing?
I'm doing great, Billy.
That's so great. Tell me a little bit about your Reggae Sumfest performance this year. Your second time gracing the Reggae Sumfest stage.
Yes, my second appearance.
Yes, so tell me a little bit about it.
Well, actually, the one year, this Sumfest, actually did want more out of it, because we never get to work with the bands, as we say. Forward late, I don't know. Time passed, so I have to work with my tracks then. So I'm kind of disappointed in myself a little bit. You see what I say? I just want the fans to know, say, I just never forward on time for work with the bands, you know what I mean? So traffic and baiting, you don't know.
Okay.
Still give thanks to your support.
Yeah, man.
And the love, you know what I mean?
And of course, you brought on your brethren on the stage, Tell me a little bit about that part of it.
Yeah, man. Quella, body out, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. Anyway, you see me as a Quella, you don't know.
Yeah. And of course, now, Jamal, walk us through the fashion, because when you talk about Reggae Sumfest, you also talk about appearance. And your Louis V, from your shades straight down to your shoes. So tell me a little bit about, your style that went into your performance.
You just have done this thing, you know what I mean? Yeah. But you done practice good hygiene and be ambitious, you know what I mean? And clean, you know what I mean? So image is everything, you see what I say? Yeah, we love image, car. We love come out clean, you see what I say? Yeah.
All right, Jamal, I'm actually curious about your grills. You know, tell me, what does it say? Show our viewers, what is it? Yeah, what does it say?
Like Ballon d'Or, man, you see what I say?
Yeah, which is right. And what's next for you, Jamal? What else are you currently working on?
Just greatness, you know. You understand? We have songs, videos. You see what I say? Actually, we have a song for job tomorrow, which I supposed to do that, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I have videos. I have some project coming to work on. I have a couple tours if I do the same way. I'm just there. That's greatness. You see what I say?
All right, Jamal. Big up yourself. All the very best to you. And we know that we'll be seeing you on lots more stages very soon. So big up.
3-9. Billy.
3-9, the Dunce Man, right here on Reggae Sumfest. Don't go anywhere. We got lots more in store for you. It's all about Reggae Sumfest 2025, and we are out and about on the festival grounds. So, of course, we had to come by the Style Jamaica area. And joining us, I have Dr. Kerry Wallace, Executive Director for TEF. Hi, Dr. Wallace. How are you doing?
Great, thanks. Great to be here at Reggae Sumfest, as usual, and great to have an opportunity to have the outstanding artisans here at Style Jamaica on show and providing an opportunity for all the patrons here to really have an enjoyable shopping experience.
I mean, why is it so important for us to, use this opportunity to showcase this side of Jamaica? And when we speak about the artisans, we're talking about so many different creative persons, and pieces.
Yeah, I mean, if you think about just us as Jamaicans, we're just so good at so many things. And one of the things we do at the Tourism Enhancement Fund is see how much we can package and harness and promote and encourage and support all of our outstanding artisans. It's just raw talent that is created and produced into outstanding products that we had at Christmas in July. We showcased a lot of them there, and we also have a lot of the Artisan Village in Falmouth. But when you have an event like this with so many patrons coming here to immerse themselves in one aspect of Jamaica's culture, which is our reggae music, it's also an opportunity for them to immerse themselves in the artisan culture of our people.
Absolutely. And I know that, we're out and about, as I mentioned, on the festival grounds right here, and the crowd is coming in. What has the response been like when they visit your Style Jamaica area?
It's been amazing. I mean, it adds to the tapestry of offerings here at Reggae Sumfest. I mean, you can imagine they'll come, you enjoy the show, the performances on the stage, but you also have so many booths going around, and you have so many great cuisine that you can enjoy, Jamaican food as well too. But then you have the opportunity to shop too. I mean, I've seen products here that it's hard to find anywhere else. So I think it's a great opportunity for persons to come and pass through, have a look, and then you may just see that gem that when you buy it here, it actually has a story that lasts forever. And I think that's a great thing about shopping here at Style Jamaica.
And you mentioned the performances, Dr. Wallace. Are you looking forward to seeing anybody tonight?
Well, I think I like this year's mix. I think they have a great highlights on each day. And I think, of course, we have Vybz Kartel tonight. But we also have some good... I like Laden a lot, to be honest. And so I look forward to his performance.
And 32 years of Reggae Sumfest. I'm sure that TEF is definitely proud of the success of the festival over the years, and I'm sure you're looking forward to continued partnership for many, many more years to come.
Well, sure. I mean, if you think about one of the things that has made us popular internationally, I think the impact of reggae has reached further and wider than our nice beaches and waterfalls and mountains and valleys and so on. So it means that, and of course, reggae is associated with leisure type of experience. It's a more kind of vibe that makes you just automatically think of relaxing, automatically think about the tropics, automatically think about fun and enjoyment. And I think that's a great associated brand for tourism to make sure it hugs up a lot and partners with as we promote Destination Jamaica. Just give our visitors more and more reason to choose Jamaica. I mean, if you think of other islands that may have sunshine and sunsea and sun and so on, I mean, reggae is something that separates us from those countries, and that's a big plus that we've always had and continue to partner with to ensure we have it for years and years to come.
Definitely. Well, Dr. Wallace, all the very best to you. Enjoy the rest of Reggae Sumfest Night 1 and Night 2. You're going to be here for Night 2 as well?
Of course, can't miss it.
Why you can't miss it, Dr. Wallace? Who are we looking forward to seeing?
No, I just love the lineup. I have, tomorrow is probably Protege that I'm looking forward to the most. Yeah.
All right, you have a favorite song?
I love the one that he does with Protege. No, well, I like that one too, but it's a lady. Yeah, no, not Leela, the other lady. Yeah, Savannah. What's that one again? Remind me. It's I just can't hear it.
Next time,
the place. I just remember that one.
Next time, I'm going to let you sing it for me. All right? All right, Dr. Wallace, enjoy the rest of the festival. Thank you so much for joining us on our Reggae Sumfest live stream. And we are looking forward to continued partnership for many, many more years to come with TEF.
My pleasure. Thank you very much.
There we have it, guys. Dr. Kerry Wallace, Executive Director, TEF, right here at Reggae Sumfest 2025. We have an amazing Style Jamaica area as you enter the festival grounds, something that you don't want to miss, so make sure you check it out. It's all about Reggae Sumfest 2025, and we are out and about on the festival grounds. So, of course, we had to come by the Style Jamaica area.
So we're here holding a vibe backstage Reggae Sumfest 2025. We're here with the one and only Shady Natural. You know, Shady is your first performance on the Reggae. That's always a big deal for an artist. How did you feel when you got that first call to say, yo, Shady Natural, we want you on the show, you know? Yeah. You call your mother. Yeah. Yeah, and not only is this your first Reggae Sumfest, but you were the first artist to kick things off tonight. You know, it's a very important 2025 staging. How did it feel to be up there in that moment?
For know how far you come from, and for know how hard work you work. Forget there, sir. It's just a joy.
Yeah, man, it's just a joy. Yeah, man, and tell us about Shady Natural now. How that name come about?
Well, Shady, it's just like you go to school, and you always beat the decks. When you beat the decks, it's like, the vibes where you get.
Yeah, man, it's just the vibes.
Bad like Eminem.
Yeah.
So Shady Natural.
All right, and Shady, tell us about the outfit tonight. Because remember, say fashion is a big part of the thing, you know. So,
well, it's just something where I see and see myself, you know.
Yeah.
I know myself.
Yeah.
I could have come do it.
Yeah. All right, so what message you have to the thousands that are tuned in tonight on our live stream?
Just want to tell the youth them this. Don't give up on yourself. Never you give up. Believe in yourself. Keep real to yourself, youth. Mama, you love, respect, all that youth.
Oh gosh, crying real tears and emotional moments from Shady Natural, his very first performance in Reggae Sumfest 2025. Give thanks. Proud of you. Proud of you. You never give up neither, yeah? All right, blessed love. Stay tuned. More special moments right here behind the scenes. Yeah. Another magical moment we are throwing right to the Reggae Sumfest 2025 stage. None other than Skeng.
Finger moves me gun them nasty, but we go be them sick. Them sick, it's me. And we no kill two of them up in this. Got chatting, we got it now. Finger move, we gun them now. Yo, listen up.
Fuck on a bumbo clock and never touch me, I see, man. If you not deal with violence, I'm fine, blood clot. Who are dealing with violence?
Them boy they don't bother at all. The last man fish with a boom like a black crab fall anytime. Those woman tongue on your front there. Rifle man all up on the chicken. Run up on the block, see them man. Anybody hear this? I go. I don't play beat and break. This so fuck come and make top people. Me boom over fence and please don't kill a up in the road. And if you don't come and road you in. Think a laughing thing that push my gun in your face and squeeze up. Squeeze up, but didn't know them. Every team gone and I go on live. So I know. Keep up this a little Mac Black, yo, DJ Mac and a bagalang. 2 clip tape. Me go there, me yo, everything code up. When me roll up, left foot, pull up like this and code up. And none of them can't talk to me. Yo, me shut a man now, you know, ready no more get this place, you're active. Put away you say, a Spanish down there, clans and bomb buckler, one another. Hear me, I said the Sumfest. We are getting the place, man, in a man, you understand? You around this, sir? Just come on, we no big pet boy, all of them are dead boy, but our eyes up in iron. We send for the whole of one dead back anyway. Sumfest! Yo, matter of fact, shut away for your shutter, man. I am here to tell you, Buddha. I straight out that Spanish store where I come from. A bag of gun man where I buy. Any casing? Turn it up! Oh, that's being done. One, yo, listen up. Why the more tell them get the tank up? Every gun's up, every killer mass up. Chop up on the men board, does the crack. Does a man not for dead? No, say you must man. Bang them a jack phone. And I buy be a gun. Fully dark, fully charge and fully crab up this thing. Go get the place, mother, no. Reggae Sumfest, when you ready? Hello, mate. A funny hard Monday, now you. We no cuss, we no. Get straight to the. From the day, now you. Tell them none of them. Never telling now you. Done, now you. One other plus stand man, bad man, take that one done, feel to. And if you feel like say me know the action, check good man. I'm a style, man. Hello, mate. A funny hard Monday, now your place. We no cause we no chase. Get straight to the pace. From a day, now the race. Tell them none of them. Never tell you now your face. One other plus stand man, bad man, stay down, one dance, feel to. And if you feel like say we know the action, good man, we'll get a rock back. I'm my style, man. Birmingham, England. I'm off and know how I'm find them. I'm a topic and mad talk to my baby. Let's see me, how I'm up here. How you say? Hashtag Rossi Gang pan the gram for the fans. I want them to this mood and the better know what time pan. None of us same black baby last pan. Done in on it. One other plus one man, sing down one dance. And if you feel like say we know the action, boy get a wrong back. And my style, them a kick like Van Damme, Birmingham, London, Brampton. Where the moms them there now? Boy, more original girl over there. I'm saying, look at me, stick on any prem, stiff good man, make a miss the apartment, bitch. You suck dick, you me love bad bitch. What's on now? I want that, I need this, the whole place shaking. The gas split for the good man. Baby, you want this, no more those fires, dog, all of us on the shit up. But if you feel no way, dog, and next get to the air, you feel out the yard, and the shit for Corona. I found a bad and I made a girl land, and I never mind for a girl to come on. I don't know if you, she don't need to make her. Now roll the gang, then I get down, girl, to come on. I don't know if you, she don't need to make her way the muckle. Now roll the gang, then she want bump and cocky like station I said. And that's how in Malibu in her head. Be a good man there, be safe and I say. Shock us every fling one in the top and bad when you will do this half thing. Killer them brawling now and killer. Bump. Remember here the bad people in the Sumfest say, hey boy! They know there to the back of the way around town. You have to know that. Walk around this up for me. What the man is in the Sumfest? Let me free up you now! You want to Jesus. Rush for it. Oh. Girl, come and make a talk about this. Oh, yes, if a cup in a cape and tea. Say you have a man and in a tell about it. Buy a couple jars and couple ropes. It's a girl in the city, she don't have to feel it. Smooth ship sailing. And a 12 furlong. I'm a short knee, every time I make your life on me. You got the curves in now, yes. Pretty face, you're modern for this. Be a face child, I so to say. Ring my bell anytime I play out, tag me a tell a girl. See my she cry, but she bad my friend accident. And what? She do in a liquor. Beat the chest so you know you can't play far. I can't come and make a talk about it. Oh, you suffer up in a tree party. Say you have a man and it's not tell you about this. Buy a couple jars and couple rope. It's a girl and a city she know. And a smooth ship sailing. And a 12 furlong. I'm a short knee every time I get. Summer cock it up. I made the pussy bus. You know what somewhere else. I'm in a ramp, you know. Feel my lifestyle sweet like honey buns. And everything well curry like curry god. I'm on a daddy now. What I know, what I know? I hear we beyond. Girl, come here, we could talk about it. Oh yes, I can go in a tree bandit. Say you have a man and it's not tell you about it. I'm gonna buy a couple jars and go pay rope this. It's a girl and a city sinner. And a smooth ship sailing. And a 12 furlong. I'm a short knee every time I get a nice one this. Hold on, Johnny, squeeze that one. Make we get this place active. Oh, yeah, hold on, boys, with them in the morning. You ready? We're not done yet. Big pussy girl, I play my body, yeah. You ready? Who had my bad girl in a Sumfest in the night, yeah? Watch it now! Don't get me over. There's a bad bitch in the ring. There's a bad bitch in the ring. What's on the morning, my grandma, give up my honey and tomato. 2 pound a ride, 2 pound a side. Bitch, I'm a club and I'm a house and bullshit on it. Your mother run the fat punani. Your mama run the fat punani. Punani nothing, I must wait it out pretty but till it reach out. Punani nothing too, we no cha-cha in the road, pump, like a choke. Around some here go eat and I make like a fake, should I chop it like a chain. Outdoor pan a tour we a look through. How? Girl I'm over like elastic, I'm a bombastic kitchen. Up and down. And we out and about. Yo, Johnny, stop. 1, 2, 3, green light. Girl, you put on in, never send no man a breath. Skinny toe, what's a wine? Now lie, miss right, miss in my time. We no waste time. Out and behind. You have to know that. Be a bad girl now. So when me a bad girl, I'm in a Sumfest scheme for me, man. I drop me a top, bro. I be a bad girl there, Jimmy. Make we wake up in here, no Ratty. Make we active up in here. Sumfest. Hear me, I say, no, man. The whole crowd, yes. Jesus Christ! Hold on, I'm chatting them, girl. Hey, girl, you idiot. Fuck for chicken. And I'll cheap it near what? Mr. No girl, eat that. There be no cheap one. You see a big pot down like. But that's being done, cold man, the go to junction. We make sense of big guy. Stupid and dumb man senses. Already fast the boom, boom already. When you follow instruction. When you follow instruction. When you follow instruction. One rocking here. What do the girls get now? How am I saying? You never have to belly get it. You never outright. What the girl get now? Sumfest. The man empty closet. Scan you to that. What's the girl that in a Sumfest, Ratty? Talk to the girl that. Hold on there. What I know? Hey girl, you idiot. You mascot. Last week me friend get boxed up some girl. I hear they slap up. Would I beat up a girl with that? Girl, come and make me tell you something. We want to see you when your legs them up for pussy tip here your teeth now. I them ball game the Buddha. I be a bad people in the crowd and be a bad girl, I see them. Yeah, a Sumfest today, we have all the vibes in the morning. No watch no face. When the door watch the crowd, make the crowd watch you. Here we go, do the right thing, man. What are they around there, sir? Yo, we're mobster there. Me have a little Vybz soon because we have all the Vybz in the morning. We're mobster there.
Let him out, let him out.
No more.
Let it go. Go for them.
Ladies, who not ready?
Go for them.
Ladies, who not ready?
Go for them.
Ladies, who not ready?
So Sumfest, tell me which link come out for really give me chat. Jump! This a man a cameraman a beg you no do that. Never use this scope butter. Wait, but drive up fully gate. Swear for more place. RG with the broom and me never start the race. I don't have time for waste. Everybody, you do so. Just take it like one. Jump! Sumfest man a mobster. Them a actor. We no sport with gun. But last bit a long chat. Take them off of the hot last rolling up chat. Level, Robin, Jummy. Come on, sense up, downtown.
Let him say.
Sumfest, who can't jump. Everybody who jump, so slide this thing and make it hard. Sumfest, everybody, we not send enemy go prison. Level. Anybody this push at him, blood like him, love to graphic murder people at the top, take a step in my office, I know.
Fans being told to uptown.
Everybody, hands up. Why?
Go, Master.
Hey, level, yo, RG. You know the thing.
Back away, round town. You got to say better and better. And we are the new gen, they want to know that. That is it. Voila! Yeah, you can't come up and get a girl in the morning, you man.
Remember, girl, them there. Remember, girl, them there, murderer. You have to perform the one for them, enough. Wait. You miss pretty, who this pretty, you know, say a cup on.
Oh,
you miss.
Talk to the girl, them artist.
Wait, you miss pretty, who this pretty, you know, say a cup on brand. You miss pretty, who this pretty, man. Wait, no option. All she want is to fishy dog pan. All them have for the to fishy bug pan. Water works on the dark night dungeon. Water park if you come in on my girl shot. You want me to have me put up on the night stand. Stop for twerk, want keep in on my life, girl. Stop for twerk, want stop every night, girl. Wait, never that. Don't pause the track outside with a get cash formula. Get a one touch and a calm back. Bro, let me a back truck pretty mommy, what's up? Get a girl and come and talk. Touch your heart, spend money on a look. Take a girl, she will see the till it buck. Sing, you miss pretty, you are who this pretty, and you know say a cock up on. You miss pretty, you are who this pretty, make a scream and cock up on. You miss pretty, you are who this. You miss pretty, you are. Hey, Sumfest, you know say go for them. And that you know say. Level it, Jummy. Wait, you like spit, you like dick, you like Chris. The night chip, she like it when I hip. You want to come and find it when I live. Spend friction, I hit you, response with that grip. She feel any and the molly start kick. But can the boss when we jump the parking. Sumfest, all my pretty ladies scream.
Both for them on artists.
But me hear the whole about people in that place say, bop. Shut up, man, no, you know that's the blood.
Anyway.
Where the bad girl left there?
Remember, we're not done with them.
Anyway, shit. You hear me, I told you.
We're not done with the girl them yet, you know.
Make me talk to the Taliban girl. Yo, beg your water no please. Watch out now. Buck up on a bad girl, Taliban. Alekawan. A pussy party.
100 grams.
So me say you have a man.
You have a man?
In the area. Yo, I will kill him double down my river town. Anyway, you have a plan.
You have a plan.
Me have a plan.
Me have one.
Come and take it to her.
Killer line.
I just see if you save a flip on the motherland. You know, care she a big sweet time. Me have a girl. Ladies, sing it out. Why you the bad girl them sing as the part? What you say? Ibiza. Curly men. All this money. Buck up on a bad girl, Taliban. Alekawan. Pussy party.
100 grams.
Me say you have a man.
You have a man.
In the area. Yo, I'm killing double down a river town. Anyway, you have a plan.
You have a plan.
Me have a plan.
We have one.
Come and take it to a killer land. To see if you save a fake.
On the motherland.
She a fake, she no care.
Sweet time, we have a girl.
Hey baby girl, welcome to my world.
To my world.
in a life anyway, me live the stress. She get her, she be holding her, your pussy make it better. You never hear a word and that's how they kill her. Alright.
Jummy, I want the round there.
I want the night, you know.
I want the round there.
Where the bad people in there in our place, because they must say a limited amount of time about me a party with them, I'm busy with them also. Forward now.
Eh?
Sumfest, when you're ready for
at that time I want him. And me I say yo, Glenn Devon. And me I say yo,
Tell two and better people edition. Cock and fire full of gun.
And me I say yo,
who charge up big of it? You want to look up to me young pussy run up in the back. You know that you must have fighting at the middle of the night to make the place get noisy. You never know see how they come to me like when I run in the yard. Take your 3 points. Babylon pan the lane and not cheer pan the me and never keep lad. Jesus Christ. No make him run, no make him want, no make him to live a nice more. You sure I want it to find it. This me. You want to say? And a 17 like a plan. 17 like a plan. The class in that. The thing that move. We got them that. Gobby them shit. Them shit. This me. I'm gonna kill 2 of them. I'm gonna murder 45. We got it that. The thing that move. We got them that. Yo, listen up. One more till they get it hung up. What's up? Kill them also. Stab up on them in. Doesn't clot up. There's a man enough for them. I'm your female left. No, say I'm a smart. Kill them the rest up. Bang them a jack food. 2 wins for and I buy me a gun. Things start up, pull it down, pull it charge and pull it grab up. This me, you must see, and I'm 17, straight to 45. We can't deny. Me think I'm over. Gobby, them sick. This me. I will not kill 2 of them up in this 45. Clap it now. Me think I'm over. Chipper than chip, enemy have vanquished. Got him on this, everything accomplished. Be a gunman, they are winner. The bag of the cowboy thing down there. The whole family might talk. Got the place like a giant and skate past for the gangers and yo dog, hear this. Squeeze it. Here we go now. We are get the place muddy now a minute. We don't understand.
Cause murder charge, you know. A murder charge, no, you know.
Watch out, no.
A murder charge, no, you know.
The bad people, I'm going to be there tonight. I'm going to ask you on the phone line. What go on? Hear me, I send them, give me some phone line for people, them, man. Cause bad people say, sending them have no time it is, you know.
Timing change.
Timing. What go on around this? Make it look good, no.
Eh?
How time in that man?
Eh?
No. Pause that.
Hold on, Johnny.
Hold on, my dad.
Bumper
Hold on, my dad.
Oi. Where phone like them there? Where phone like them there? In a Sumfest. Where phone like them there in a Sumfest? Missy one like, missy few like 3, 4, 5. Where phone like then there in a Sumfest?
The right thing. Make the general get in target for around this.
I'll make it look good.
On the door, ramp in the ship. People kill. Come like a me for blade bands in our night.
Turn on the phone like them in a Sumfest.
Turn on the phone like them.
The shift change.
Turn on the phone like
them. Hold on, be.
The shift change.
We're there, Spanish Town. Roll a Kingston. We don't have to know that.
And me I say you're flanker. And me I say you're Rose Eyes.
I want one.
And me I say you're Sandspring.
Bagare.
And me I say you're Glen Devon.
Bagare.
He badness change.
Bagare. Done Bombo Demon timing, Father.
All I want to take out.
A demon timing right about now.
I want to see phone like them in a Sumfest.
Why no all the way?
I shift change, you know. Operation time, you know. You know RGS. You know Sparta code. Eh?
I don't know your boss, Bossa Blanca. Oh, Buckler, shut a man down, my father. We got the bomb around here. Oh, time it up, doesn't go, man, if you do the action. Turn them blood.
P-man, you know the long shot. No, them a do call you flip them, but straight out, I turn everything on shot. Come on! Then I run them black. Yo, when the got to get money. Yo, and body out of the team, run. And I can't stop the time. Yeah. Protocol, we have 100 shop. Mulligan, pop, whole place, get on. Rings out everything. And a point that I let up in a boy head, boy. Everybody so. I'm talking with that time in the boy. Oh, no. Turn up the boy. Shut the man now. Yeah, yo. Hey, yo. Next up. Big on squeeze. Come on, your band shape, Bossa Blanca. Go. That motherfucker. People. Boy, check on the green. I don't know the green. Boy, tell me on the one. Everybody. Go. Yo, do ready for party, yeah, be ready. Yo, do ready for party, yeah. That's it. Yeah. That's next time. You know, don't play with people. Say Gaza. Say Sparta. Let me just a minute. Everybody, me a tell them no book. Then to get in the sea of my water. Doesn't set me as a free man. Everybody was a some feel like when we stepping out the field, everybody stop. Yes. You feel that? Well, I know. I'll be a voice in this sphere, voice in this sphere. Right up the phone like them in a Sumfest. Sparta! All who respect Red Boss, let me see them in here. All who say Gaza! Yo, Gaza man crazy! No, everybody, got some boats in the link, I feel like the link for the train. Y'all don't mess with the brain. Don't mess with me. Some boy them here don't wanna sing in the other man. Level. Oh, so much wild, hey. Stocking up the paper till it drink the sky. Because that's it. The music is her son, I get that. You feeling that? We want paper, pick up our money maker. I look. We don't wanna. Well, I know a family. Money made. I don't know what you're talking about. Money made. Some things are going to be. Then my eye pan a push me. Level. I don't know that I like rapists. Let me see on the magazine. I don't know that I like rapists. Let me see on the magazine. You see any boy try rape a mobby, yeah? They got the superintendent there when I run the place good. Any boy feeling can violate and mash up the place. You know I'm going to reach them and rape a man then. Yeah, everywhere we want in this time, people. You feel that? Them never like away, them never.
Next one. Stop early. What more I say? Big up to everybody in our place. The people that run on a stampede down the place, brother. I make them want to lock off a show. The pickpocket them want to stop car stampede. I will not do it. A car stampede and a pickpocket pocket. You have thump on the throat. I want to stop him, my youth. Can I lock off, make him go lock off a dance, bad man. How much so many people hurt them youth? No one I do. But I want to say, Zane, big up the whole mobile. I'm not telling you, I'm proud of you. Let's killing go on this year. I don't know them problem. Let me see how them in here. Big up the community flanker. Nobody not dead for a word. Never stop them. I want to tell the youth. You don't do it early. I have to say it. You know it right. We got enough funeral and everything. Full time for us grow up now. You understand? Then look at Pitney how I go across blood them. I have to know what I do with them. Can't make NTS blood. Keep them positive, youth. I want to say, oh, big up the superintendent, them do a good job. You know, one time when somebody do something, they used to kill shark for fish. I lie? Why for fish? No, a new strategy, I like it. First time if somebody gonna do something, them kill a man I don't know about you a bigger. No, a man won't turn up for them own problem. I that my respect. You understand? So if a man knows him, I keep up foolish, in the pan him own. You understand? That's how if you start running a thing, brother. I love how Moby I go on. Police them do a good job, I not lie. Big up on yourself. You understand? Yeah, man, the place are going good. I can't come now and come work. I want him more on the spread, man. More on the spread, he say. Tamale turn coward, more on the spread. Because police don't know I'm a turn coward. Jump ready, you know. Maybe I'm going to look more time, officer. Because people them now cause them a stampede. And guess what? They must have a lot of it. I have few artists to call up. You know, after I call them up, I can't do and I do anything on the CLR. Anything. Drop rhythm. From I know your band shit. Me pray more and talk less. So boy feel heartless. No, 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 no. Me thank God for darkness. Only put my trust in my God and my good. Woman, me now me and take on my soul. If you don't feel me, I laugh with the road. When you're not ready, come on. Pull up the whip where the gas for the road. Skin to skin, go to wound. West side that people there. Man cool like you. Come them full up. Get them in a boy to feel me like syrup. And we pull up the fella what. People in the house and when you can get pull up. Something like you. Big dirty station me a bush out. Poking a bus him up. You feel that? Heartless, paranoid. Feed me with the fuel, give me a lie. Even though I'm a killer, I'm a knee saying a prayer hand on the street light. Protect me, Lord, you and me gonna love me, God. Mommy not gonna fool me, say bad of your mama. Jammy now want you heal, but stamina me. Hit me, go, use the neighbors. If a boy wrong me, look here, I will it. Jammy, I get lazy, man. That's the Asian. Oh. I'm giving you a warning. Jesus. Uncle Kai.
Father Tamale.
People. Yeah, man,
we have a public service announcement, quick.
People, public service announcement. Then so we have to leave now, because we pickpocket them, as I'm telling you. And if you go out and go be a bad man. He a ton of bad
we
man.
have to take a pause because there are a lot of injured persons in the crowd. So I have to just take one quick pause. We'll leave a war and strife and stampede are going, alright?
Big up Mr. Samuel straight. Thank you for your time, yeah? You know, I'm respect with Mr. Samuel. I'll give you a little more time. I have respect for that.
Allow the people, all the medics, the space to can help all the injured people. We got multiple injured people.
All injured people, now come out and help them. Who injured, put up on your hand.
Malik Fisher, report to the police post ASAP, please. Allow the medics to do the thing.
People, you know, sorry to fail this way, but you know, it was a great show and we can't complain. But listen now, check on the pocket, if you're not missing a car key, we have like 10 car key right up here. We have like 10 car key up here. So people take on the time and walk out to the exit. Thanks for the love, thanks for the support. Reggae Sumfest 2025 was a great one. Big up the whole Down South team to organize a great festival. Big up all media, big up all press. Shout out to my band, Drop Cut. Big up Spice. Vybz Kartel, the king. Paper, until we meet.